baby, where you could have been. I kept it solid, then you left, switched up at the end. Switched up at the end. Where you could have been, where we could have been. Let me tell you, little baby, where you could have been. I kept it solid, then you left.
Welcome back to another video. We got 4th Gen coming. We're gonna be doing his exhaust today. I'll show you what he got. Well, you saw a sneak peek. I don't know if I put in the last clip or the last video, but yeah. So we're gonna go check that. You got a J-pipe and exhaust and some coilovers. We're not gonna do the coilovers today, a different video. But yeah, let's go check it out. Alright, you got 4th Gen over here. So what are we doing today?
What are we doing today? We got a couple of things going on here. We got a jackhammer right here.
Yeah, we got 2 potato launchers.
That's the catback exhaust.
What brand is it?
Endless RPM.
Mm-hmm.
Got MagnaFlow mufflers.
You ever find that other tip?
I think. How many should I have?
Find out. We pull it all out. We'll pull it all out right
Because
now.
I know there's one on a pipe that's in the back.
This goes.
But I just don't know how many I need.
That one goes that way. This one goes this way.
J-pipe.
And you got the J-pipe, which is what brand?
Endless RPM as well.
Endless RPM aftermarket J-pipe. Goes around this area. Resonator. Alright, so let me see that. So this goes probably this way. Oh no, this is backwards. Put the exhaust the wrong way.
You know, this is backwards.
There we go. So that's how it goes on. And this is the white pipe-ish.
Here's one right here, but I don't know how.
See, that goes on that one. Yeah, put that right there.
Ah, do I not have it?
Alright, this is the full exhaust. So I'm going to be taking the other one out. Let's see what's up with that. Alright, so before we put it on, let's do a before and after real quick. So, to start it up for now. Alright, now give it a light rev. Alright, go a little bit. No. Not just rev it. Alright, that's before. Alright. So, we need to get this car in the air, guys. So, what do we need? What do we guys need? What do we need for this job? Hey, no. Hey. Cut it out. So, what do we need?
A jack!
What was that?
A jack!
That's right, we need a jack. Yay, we got the jack here. Okay, thank you guys for all your help. Alright, I'm gonna continue this. Hopefully Ripknob Friday don't show up today, because we don't want to see that guy. Alright, car is in the air. We'll probably actually take the J-pipe off first and go under here. Can see the bolts right here. We take these off. Pretty sure they're either 12 or 14. Take those off. Take those other ones off right there, and then we probably might just take everything off all together if it lets us. And then but yeah, as far as the plan so far. Alright, got the bolts off. Over here, you can see. These ones are off. The front ones are off as well. Go ahead and start to try to take the hangers off and try to get this removed. Use some spray shading oil, and I put some on here, and I got these boots off. Always recommend putting painting shading oil. We're gonna go ahead and do that along the whole way, and then I think lastly we're gonna take that one off just because the angle is gonna be in. We'll see. All right, I think it was just easier for me to take off the cap bolts, so I ended up taking it off. I'm just using everything with this impact. So you get pretty good accuracy everything. So yeah, so I got this off. I'm gonna work on the back now, get those mufflers off, and this should just be dropping now. All right, like I said, from the back, we're gonna go ahead and take it off here. We're gonna take it off the top one on these ones. Same thing with that one. We're gonna take it off the top. We're just gonna spray it with this, the paint shading oil. And I believe that's all the hangers I see that's holding it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, just like that, it is now off. I'm gonna pull this out now. All right, what is off? You can see what he did. He cut these mufflers or whatever off, and he welded it. Damn. Get the J-pipe out now. All right, J-pipe's out. I had to do a few things. Like I had to take that little bracket out and drop that little metal subframe. You can see the bolts are hanging. Just to squeeze this out. It was a pain, but I took the bracket out to get more room in there. You can see it right there. I took that out. They're all 14s. So yep, now I gotta take these other 14s off, and this is about almost done. The J-pipe wasn't fitting in. I noticed this tab was straight down, so I just hammered it out, and now it fits like a glove. FYI. If you guys are doing this, make sure you hammer that little tab in. You might hit on it. Alright, we got the J-pipe, we got the mid-pipe in, and we got all the way to that little long one that's supposed to be a Y, kind of dangling for now. So that one's not tight yet. Everything else is tight. That one's not tight. We're gonna get the exhaust tips on right now. Actually, I can. I can't. Where's that? Where's that? Oh, right here. There it goes. Fuck that shit. Oh. On the other one, there should be the rubber. Got the exhaust on right now. We're gonna just tighten everything up, but that's kind of the gist of it. J-pipe and endless RPM exhaust. Yes, sir. Jeez. Shout out to Mythic Customs right here. Mythic 549. Yep. Back all dirty. Right here, boy. Mm-hmm. Custom merch. Mythic Customs added again with exhaust install. Usually we don't help criminals, but we're not rip off Rodney. We got you too. We won't say no to nobody.
Thanks, Mythic.
Get up. We're almost done. We gotta go get a flange because the one he got was a little too big. So going out of zone and grabbing one. Alright, we went to O'Reilly's and we picked up this type of clamp. We'll try this one. We'll try to get this exhaust finished. Yay. We are done. Alright, cold start. Let's hear it. Let's see. Ooh. I'm nervous. Alright, cold start.
Ready?
Ooh. Give it a little rev.
Sounds like a little keeper.
Now go out, like go.
Here, let me see. Watch. Let me go. Turn the pedal.
Rev it up pretty high. Like girl. There it is. We're gonna probably go for a ride. See if we get here from the inside. See if we can notice the power difference with the J-pipe with the new exhaust. But here we go.
This is off. I guess this is how it's stock. With it on.
Yeah, pole's off.
Yeah.
Dude, it already pulled. This is stock. It's already pulling.
Alright, well, we about to go get something to eat at.
Wherever. I don't know.
She wants some Wendy's.
Yeah. He knows me. This guy knows me. Take the long way. Go make a left and go down here.
Alright.
So this is regular?
No, this is I put it on now.
Alright, what do you have it on?
On city.
City.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Yeah, you don't hear no drone at all. Alright, over here, finished the install. We got Wendy's, and we see green crisp over here, so we're gonna try to get some rollers of them. Go around. He's not even looking. I don't know, we saw you. We got Wendy's, but we saw you, so we flipped it. So I get some rollers real quick. You going to Woodward?
For what?
There's a car meet there.
Making that scene, then I'm making them scream. Straight from the bricks, I need a lick. I drink the body since I was a jig. Nigga unlit, how can I miss? Came from the bottom and got me a check. Bitch, I'm a threat, I got a flex. You want the crime, but don't know what it takes. I am built different, I'm not what you think. I cannot lose, I go out with a bang. I hope you never say my name in vain. I'm with whatever, just not play no games. I know they say I change, I cannot say the same. I bet they want me shackled, they're locked in the chains. I guess that's just what happens with bad news. On my mama, I never been fragile. I'm the wrong with the fuck with this taboo. Turn you niggas to R&B tattoos. Still a youngin' but feel like a OG. Can't forget all the shit that they told me. Tired of niggas thinking that they know me. You gon' turn me back into the old me. You gon' turn me back into a savage. I done did shit you couldn't imagine. Leveled up and then bought me a mansion. I can never go back to what has been. I can never go back to the oldest. No way. Back to walking to work on a cold day. Back to thinking my ex was my soulmate. Back to telling myself it'll be okay. We'll be okay. We're surviving no rhyming and OJ. Shorty paying the bills, I had no say. I can never go back to the bottom. To the bottom, selling drugs, never know when the cops come. Nigga jealous, they wanted to rob us. I was just trying to give me some dollars, a couple dollars. Turn my.
All right, we're gonna be ending the video right here. So 4Gen is very satisfied with everything.
Very, very.
All right, well, like, comment, subscribe for more 4Gen content. Leave a comment that you want to see more of these. He's still got a few more parts that we gotta be putting on, so we'll keep that a secret, I guess, for now.
Yeah.
But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. You want to do the honor?
You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. Good looks to Mythic Power 9 for hooking me up, always taking care of me. You know what I'm saying? Hit him up for the 3rd gen content, 4th gen content, 3rd gen materials. You know what I'm saying?
Push notifications.
And make sure to get your push notifications on. You know what I'm saying? Turn up on that. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe.
Hit it, hit it. All right.
Yee!